Hello students, welcome to our maths class. Unit 11, Area and its boundary. In our previous video, we have done the practice time of page number 155. In this video, we will start the exercise Save the Birds, which is given on page number 156. Now let's see what this exercise tells us. Save the bird. There are two beautiful lakes near a village. People come for boating and picnics in both the lakes. The village panchayat, here the two lakes are there. The village panchayat is worried that with the noise of the boat, when the people will come to see the lakes, they will visit the lake with the help of the boat. So, due to the noise of the boat, the village panchayat is worried that with the noise of the boat, the birds will stop coming. And due to the noise of the boat's machine, the birds will stop coming in this lake. The panchayat wants motor boats in only one lake. So what did the panchayat decided? If the peoples are going in both the lakes, then they decided that the visitors should be allowed in only one lake with the boat. So the village panchayat decided to allow the boat only in one lake. The panchayat wants motorboat in only one lake. The other lake will be saved for the birds to make their nest, because if there will be no disturbance, then only the birds will make their nest and they will lay the eggs there. So this decision was taken by the panchayat. Now you can see the lake. Both of the lakes are there. This is lake A, this is lake B. Now 1 centimeter on this drawing. In this drawing, 1 centimeter is equals to 1 kilometer on the ground. If 1 centimeter, this much distance on the drawing is equals to 1 kilometer on the actual land. Now we are supposed to calculate the area and the perimeter of this drawings. And regarding to that, the questions have been asked. First question. How many centimeter is the length of the boundary of lake A in the drawing? Use thread to find out. Now we are supposed to find out the boundary of this lake using the thread, as we have done in our previous video. Students, I have used the thread and I had measured the boundary earlier before this video. So we will directly use the measurement of the boundary instead of using the thread and measuring it, because I have previously done that. So the boundary of this A is 27 centimeter. How much it is? 27 centimeter. And the boundary of B is 20 centimeter, and they both will be approximately, little bit there will be variation in the measurement which I have given. Now how many centimeter the length of the boundary of lake A in the drawing? It is 27 centimeter, because we are supposed to in the drawing, not actually it is in the drawing. What is the length of the boundary of lake B in the drawing? Now lake B is 20 centimeter. So what is the length of the boundary of lake B in the drawing? It is 20 centimeter. Now question number C. How many kilometers long is the actual boundary of lake A. So how many kilometers long is the actual boundary of lake A? So we are supposed to say 1 centimeter is equals to 1 kilometer, isn't it? Therefore 27 centimeter is equals to 27 kilometer. So how many kilometer long is the actual boundary of lake A? So the actual boundary of lake A is 27 kilometer. The boundary of the lake A is 27 kilometer. Okay, now how many kilometers long is the actual boundary of lake B? So the boundary of lake B is 20 centimeter, isn't it? So we will write down 1 centimeter is equals to 1 kilometer. So 20 centimeter is equals to 20 kilometer. The actual boundary is 20 kilometer. This is 27 kilometer and this is 20 kilometers. 20 kilometer. Now question number E. A longer boundary around the lake will help more birds to lay their egg. A longer boundary around the lake will help more birds to lay their egg. So which lake should be kept for birds? Which lake should be used for boats? So longer boundary. Which lake is having longer boundary? This lake B is having 20 centimeter and lake A is having 27 centimeter boundary. So which is having the longer boundary? Here it is on the drawing, it is 27 centimeters. Actually it is kilometer. So 27 kilometer and 20 kilometers original boundary is there. Which one is greater boundary? So this is a greater boundary. So A should be kept for the birds. A longer boundary around the lake will help more birds to lay the egg. So which lake should be kept for birds? We will write lake A should be kept for birds. Which lake should be used for boats? And lake B should be used for boats. Understood, students? Okay. Now, find the area of lake B on the drawing in square centimeter. What is its actual area in square kilometers? So here the shape which is given to us of lake B is an irregular shape, isn't it? So we have learned that whenever the shape is irregular, we are supposed to find out the area by counting the squares, isn't it? So now let's count the square and find out the area of lake B. First of all, what we will count? We will count the full squares. Okay, I will write down here full square, half square, and more than half. Okay, now first of all let's calculate the full square. Okay, one is also full, 2, this is also full, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, this is also full, 8, 9, 10, 11, this is also full, 12, 13, 14, 15. Okay, how many full squares are there? So total 15 full squares are occupied by this drawing. Okay, so full square is equals to 15. Now let's calculate more than half and less than half. There is no square is occupied exactly half, so we are not using the exactly half. More than half and less than half. Okay, now see, if you want to see that exactly more than half or less than half is, just join these two opposite corners, so we will come to know about it. This is more than half. Okay, this is again more than half. This is also more than half. This is also more than half, the full. This is also more than half. This is less than half, so we will not consider this. This is also less than half, not consider. More than half. This is also more than half. This is less than half. This is more than half. Again it is more than half. This is less than half, and this is also more than half, isn't it? So how many tick I have done? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 more than half squares are there. Half squares is not, and more than half times 10. So total how much? 10. 15 plus 10, how much it is there? So 15 plus 12 is 25. So we will write on here, find the area of lake B on the drawing in square centimeter. We write down area of lake B on drawing is 25 square centimeter. And what is its actual area in square kilometers? So actual area same, 25 square centimeters here. The actual area will be kilometers. So area of lake B is 25 square kilometer. Understood, students? This you are supposed to do in the textbook only. I hope you have understood. If you want to measure the boundary of this, you can do it by using a thread, and you can also measure the boundary by using a thread.